Hello everyone and welcome back to Caitlin's Corner. Today I'm going to be showing you what's in my carry-on. By the time you see this video, I will already be in Portugal, but I really love this bag and thought it was worth sharing with all of you. It's by Swiss Gear and I picked this bag up at Nordstrom Rack. This is what it looks on the outside. It's great because it also has a handle on the side, so you can almost carry it like a briefcase. There's also a spot to put your water bottle. The back is pretty standard, and turn it around over here. So a pocket at the front, plenty of room to slip something in there, and another pocket at the top that has like this felty material. I have a pair of socks in here right now because I figure on the plane I'll want to wear socks. But what really makes this backpack unique is what's inside. There's a zipper that goes all the way around, and then it opens like a suitcase. There's your overview shot. Let's get a little closer. On the left hand side, this is this part that would be closest to your back. There is a slot for a laptop. Behind that pocket, there's also this mesh zipper section, and currently in there I have all the products that I'm taking with me on the plane. You have to keep all liquids in a Ziploc bag, so it's at the top there because it'll be really convenient to get that out. I'm not bringing too much with me on the plane. This first item here is an overnight mask by Origins. This is just to keep my skin hydrated and to kind of be a barrier between my skin and anything in the airplane air. I've also got Sage's Arrive Revived Jet Lag and Travel Mist. We'll be arriving at Portugal at 6 a.m. so this will definitely be necessary. A lip balm and this Beauty Elixir spray by Caudalie. This is just something that I'll be spraying on my face throughout the flight. I really love the smell of this stuff and it just feels really refreshing. And then I've also got some Scope mini brushes so I can, you know, brush my teeth at night and right before we land. I also need to add hand sanitizer and some sanitizing wipes to this, some tissues as well. I need to make one more run before we head on our flight, so that will be done in the next few hours. That's it for the left side of the bag. On the right side, you can clearly see there's this mesh barrier. It's very much so like a suitcase. If you were just packing clothes loosely, this would be really nice because it keeps them all contained. But I am packing a variety of different things. Top here, I have the crossbody that I'm taking with me on this trip. It is a vegan leather bag from Pixie Mood. Let me just bring it out over here. It's not too big, but it has like this nice rectangular shape. So when I have my camera and my phone in there, they're gonna be easy to access and they'll fit in there quite nicely. I've also got some mints I'm taking with me, and then any cards or cash is going to be slipped in the zipper of this little guy. When this is closed, it's nearly impossible to access that zipper without popping this open. Then below that, I have this Eagle Creek packing cube. I'm going to include links to everything in this video down in the description box below, so this will be able to be found there as well. And in here, I've just packed an emergency outfit just in case our checked bags somehow don't make it to us. Just a precautionary measure to ensure I do have an outfit to change into if that were to occur. Next stack has a little pouch from Fossil. I got this years ago. This is holding some pens and pencils and a few highlighters so that I can keep up with my bullet journaling. I've got my Lisbon travel book and then also my bullet journal. And here I have my Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones. And these are a new addition to my editing equipment. They make editing for long hours a lot more enjoyable. I got this hard case for them off of Amazon. I'll again have it linked down below. I really like it versus the case that my headphones had originally come with because it opens up all the way and they're just easier to slip into. It's also hard, so I don't feel like I'm concerned about it getting squished in my carry-on. And then the last thing I have here is another bag from Eagle Creek. I think this is specifically a tech cube, and that's what I've used it for, is all of my technology, including chargers and any other pieces of equipment that need a home. On this left side, I have a little pouch here with my headphones. I love this pouch because there's a section to put my headphones, and then there's also this little pocket here that's perfect for the iPhone dongle, the adapter or whatever it's called. I also have my hard drive. Right now I'm using a Seagate Ultra Slim hard drive. And I also got this protective case for it. This was like $10, and I would highly recommend getting one if you have one of these slim Seagate hard drives, because it just keeps it a little bit more stable on surfaces, and also adds a little bit of protection in case you were to drop it. What else do I have in here? Oh, this pocket right here is where the camera that I'm currently using, my Canon G7X, would live. On the right side, I use this pocket here. It usually has like this Velcro little flap, but I just tucked it in because it ends up being a good spot to place my tripod. On the zipper above is where I have my camera battery charger, a memory card, an extra battery. And then there's one final big flap at the back that holds my computer charger and my iPhone charger. I do still need to buy adapters. I'm cutting it a bit close. I think I'm gonna have to buy them at the airport. I'm so glad I found this pouch though from Eagle Creek, because it makes it so much easier to have all your technology things in one location. And of course I'd want this in my carry-on, both because I would want to keep valuable things like this with me at all times, and also because I'm going to be doing work on this flight. So I'll actually need a lot of the things in here to be able to do that. Just all in all, I'm super impressed with this backpack. I've never seen a backpack that opens like this before. And even though I think it's perfect for my trip, I think it's also just going to be a great backpack for going to and from my hometown and Toronto, which I do often. So I'll probably end up putting more just like clothes in here when I do those trips, because that's usually what I have the most difficulty packing in a traditional backpack. And there you have that. There is my carry-on. Once it's all zippered up, we're just gonna close it again, and it's ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and let me know in the comments below what is one thing that you always need to have with you in your carry-on. I will see all of you very soon with a new video, and until then, bye guys.